Alright, so we just got done doing the speakers on the Lancer. I just hooked them up, and we're about to show you what they look like. Sorry, you probably can't hear me. I'm talking outside of the car. It's pretty clean. I don't think it's all the way in there. Yeah, yes it is. Alright, let's go around to the other side. So, yeah, let's see if they work. Copyright. Oh. Oh, man. Cardi B, no. Alright, so I totally forgot about copyright. Okay. I don't think there's an aux cable in here. Oh well, run it. Alright, well, I think it sounds pretty good. I mean, it's a lot louder than it was before.
The next day.
What is up, everybody? Just got done with the Lancer stuff, and I got some really good news on the Lancer. The third brake light, we're gonna have to buy a new one. Not really sure what's going on with that, but it's just not working, and I didn't see any bulbs in it, so I guess it's like, we're just gonna buy a new one. It's old, whatever. I'm sure they're cheap, you know, like 20 bucks or something. If you have one for sale and you know it works, hit me up in the comments and let me know how much you want for it. You know, try to make it fair. Also, the Lancer's random misfire code, the p0300, is now gone. I'm really not sure what exactly fixed it, but I went to start the car and let it warm up and let it run, and I didn't see the car didn't misfire at all. I couldn't feel it doing anything weird, and I guess it's fixed now, and it's not throwing any check engine light, and it doesn't feel like it's misfiring anymore. The best I could say is just maybe the ECU, because I had the battery unhooked so many different times that I never really gave it a chance to relearn everything and work through all the systems, I guess. Maybe I was just kind of rushing it too much or something, or expecting it just to be fixed right away. But I haven't unhooked the battery for probably about a month now, or probably longer than that, and it's not throwing any more issues, and it's running perfect now. So it is official that the Lancer build is over. And all right, I'm gonna get off here. Thanks for watching the whole Lancer build if you did. And if you know any questions or anything you guys want to know, hit me up in the comments, and I'll post again on the Lancer whenever I can, whenever I do anything on it, if anything else happens to go wrong on the car. So yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See y'all later.